Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers, home of the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. Wanted to show you guys one of our 7x16 off-roads. This one is such a cool color combination. I love it. It's got the matte gray front, matte black rear, and this is all done in our thicker aluminum skin with the blackout package. Now you guys can view all of our inventory online anytime at getmytrailer.com, or always send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. We ship, so if you guys aren't near us, no worries. We can get you a shipping quote and you can purchase any of our units online. Make it simple and easy. So this one again is in a 7x16, set up to be multi-use. These are insulated windows, AC power, battery. They've got a bunch of goodies on them. And then this one has, as you guys can see, the generator box. You do have the generator platform right there as well. So you've got a place for that generator to ride. Extended tongue, removable front coupler, step off that side doors. These are true off-road trailers. You get about 19 inches worth of ground clearance. They sit up nice and tall. Side door has the RV locking cam bar on it. And then we do have two 3,500-pound torsion axles, brakes on all fours, 32-inch Mudterrain tires, as well as Black American Racing wheels. Now, exterior GFI outlet comes in handy if you want to cook outside or plug in a speaker or whatever. And then when you're hanging out, you've got exterior party lights at night so you can see what you're doing. We also do the roof rack with ladder. That's good for a couple 100 pounds dispersed, so good place to store kayaks, canoes, that kind of a thing. You also have the drop down stabilizer jacks underneath the back. Rear ramp door, of course, so you can load your toys, and then we do the rear deck option as well, so you can use it as a deck if you want. Load lights off the back as well, so you've got great light on the exterior of the rear and this side of the trailer. Going in the side door, 7-foot interior height with this unit, so it's going to be tall enough for most of those UTVs out there. This one's insulated walls and ceiling again, and then you've got the white aluminum wall and ceiling liner. 2 windows in here. These are a tinted lockable window, and then you also have a roof vent as well with the max air cover on it, so you don't have to worry about water leaking in with that. And then we do have puck lights in here. 6 interior puck lights, as you guys can see. The puck lights right here, plus the party lights off the side, load lights off the back, are all ran off of a battery, which haha is missing. We must have stole it out of this unit. I'm sorry. We'll put one in here for you guys when you buy it. This normally has a battery in a battery box, and then there's your battery charger. And then we also have 30 amp service right here. So purpose of that battery is that you no longer need to have your generator on or be plugged into your vehicle to have light on the inside and outside of the trailer. And then this right here will, when you plug into your generator, will bring power in and power up your interior outlets. You've got 4 interior outlets, 1 exterior GFI outlet. It also will bring power into your 4-foot LED lights across the ceiling here. And it's also gonna run your AC unit with a heat strip. So you guys have the ability to heat and cool these units as well. So 3-year factory warranty, good setup. They've got a great multi-use setup on them. And again, they're a true off-road trailer, as we are home to the Colorado Off-Road Trailer. And you guys can view all of our inventory anytime at getmytrailer.com. Again, send us an email at sales@getmytrailer.com. And be sure to like and subscribe.